Okay, 3DP UK here. I am doing a print today and we are doing the Flexi Frog prints. I'm actually doing the Flexi Frog Prince and Princess to do a pair. That can be from the Flexi and you can get that from the Flexi factory. You find them on Instagram. I'm a Patreon of theirs, so I pay a monthly subscription. Check them out, they've got amazing products. So like I say, I'm going to use the anycubic Cobra Max to do that. So right now I'm doing a 0.3 layer height, and this is just a skirt just to get the nozzle primed. I've also slowed the printing rate down to 50%. Now it's probably going at about 20 ms, so quite slow. The reason why I do that is on this particular glass bed, the texture is amazing for adhering, but the first layer is key. I mean, especially with this particular print, there's a lot of smaller, as you can see, the feet to the frog. These are very small areas that it could lift. Now the first layer is obviously key to the rest of the print. So what I'm doing really is just to do a slow, maybe 2 or 3 layers, just to make sure that we get that complete adhere. As you can see, it's now speeding up for the infill. I've got that on my settings on Cura. So yeah, once it's done that, it's going to do the rest of the first layer, and hopefully without too many issues, which I don't seem to have with the anycubic Cobra Max, which with the touch bed leveling, that is really making this a dream to work with. You'll see that I have no issues so far, and like I say, hopefully in I think just over 9 hours for the 2 prints should be done, and we'll have a lovely project completed. And that, like I say, that was from Flexi factory. Give them a shout, they're amazing. And that is the anycubic Cobra Max. 3DP UK here, like and subscribe. Okay, following on from the first part of this video, you can now see that the frogs are well and truly adhered, and that's probably the second layer now. I've ramped up the speed to 75%, and as you can see, it's looking perfect. There's no lifts. Let's get down to the surface as much as we can. As you can see, there's no lips. We're looking spot on. Yep, I'm very happy with that, and we'll come back to it in about 8.5, 9 hours time to see where we are. Take care. Okay, we are at 10.5 hours, 10 hours and 49 minutes. We're running at 75% speed, and we're about 71%. I did this as slow as possible, as I mentioned earlier in the video. I just wanted to be sure that I get the best quality really. These are for demonstration purposes to be sold. This is the Flexi Frog from Flexi factory. Definitely hook them up as a Patreon. Their products are amazing, as you can see, with the right filament, which I've got ZIRO purple, and that's in silk, so you've got that lovely shine. You can see there. So yeah, we're at about 71% now. I say it's been running all night. Temperature on the bed is 55 and on the nozzle at about 200 degrees. I put it up a little bit more overnight because obviously the temperature dropped, but overall the quality's looking amazing. The layer lines are good. There's a bit of fuzz on the legs, but you expect that. Might be some retraction or temperature issues, but other than that, the actual quality is amazing. I calibrated my E-steps on this Max following my video that I posted earlier. I'll click the link on the bottom of the description. Check that out, definitely do that. Run some extrusion tests. I know some people might say that it doesn't need to be done, but I was about 4 or 5 millimeters out on the expected quality. By doing that, you're just getting the best quality possible, as you can see. So yeah, the end of this video you'll see the completed frogs. I'm doing the prince and the princess. Yeah, they look good. And that was on the anycubic Cobra Max, so yeah. and there we are, completed. As I said, there was a bit of fuzz between there, so I'll just put some hot air gun on that takes all that off, but otherwise the print looks really good. Not bad. It was a 14-hour print, but that was at 75%, so I expected it. But yeah, they come out really nice.